Republic Act Number 7942, dated March 3, 1995. The Philippine Mining Act of 1995. Republic Act Number 9147, dated July 30, 2001. Wildlife Resources Conservation and Protection Act. Executive Order Number 318, promoting sustainable forest management in the Philippines. Republic Act Number 8749, dated June 23, 1999. Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. Republic Act Number 7586, dated June 1, 1992. National Integrated Protected Areas System Act of 1992. Republic Act Number 8371, dated October 29, 1997. The Indigenous People Right Act of 1997. Republic Act Number 9003, dated January 26, 2001. Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. Republic Act Number 8749, dated June 23, 1999. Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. Republic Act Number 9275, which took effect on May 6, 2004. Philippine Clean Water Act of 2004. Executive Order 23, dated February 1, 2011, declaring a moratorium on the cutting and harvesting of timber in the natural and residual forest, and creating the Anti-Illegal Logging Task Force. Executive Order Number 318, dated June 9, 2004, promoting sustainable forest management in the Philippines. Republic Act Number 9512, dated December 12, 2008. The National Environmental Awareness and Education Act of 2008. Administrative issuances of DNR. DAO 15, Series of 1990. Regulations governing the utilization, development, and management of mangrove resources. DAO 58, Series of 1993. Rules and regulations governing extractions, assessment, precision, and transport of NARA resources. DAO 15, Series of 1990. Regulations governing the utilization, development, and management of mangrove resources. DAO 58, Series of 1993. Rules and regulations governing instructions, assessment, possession, and NARA resources. DAO 25, June 29, 1992. NEPA's in implementing rules and regulations. DAO 34, series of 1992. Rules and regulations to implement the Public Act 7076. DAO number 97-32, dated October 10, 1997. Rules for the administrative adjudication of illegal forest products. DAO 2004-29. Revised rules and regulations for the implementation of the CBFM strategy. DAO 98. DAS 41, dated June 24, 1998. Implementation of CBFM in watershed reservations. DAO 98, dated dated March 4, 1998. Implementation of CBFM in mangrove R. DAO 2000-21, dated February 28, 2000. Prescribing the requirements for cutting, transport, and disposition of naturally grown timber inside private lands. DAO 59, dated September 30, 1993. Revised rules and regulations governing the transport, shipment of logs, lumber, plywood, veneer, non-timber, forest products, and other forest-based products and commodities. DAO 74, series of 1997. Nationwide ban on the cutting of almasiga trees. DAO 64, dated July 31, 2000. Regulation in the cutting, gathering, and utilization of anahaw palm. Existing forest laws. PD 705, dated May 19, 1975. Revised Forestry Code of the Philippines. Section 28. Cutting, gathering, and collecting timber or other forest products without license, including possession or transport of forest products without legal documents. Section 69. Unlawful occupation or destruction of forest lands and grazing lands. Section 70. Pasturing livestock without authority in forest lands, grazing lands, and undisputed, alienable, and disposable inheritance. Section 71. Illegal occupation of national park system and reaction areas of vandalism were therein. Section 72, destruction of wildlife resources. Section 73, survey by an unauthorized person. Section 74, misclassification and survey by government officials and employees. Section 75, tax declaration on property. Section 76, coercion and influence. Section 77, unlawful possession of implements and devices used by forest officers.